Open your browser and go to the Bilibili official website. Search for Yahboom and play the video. Take a photo, then organize the text in the photo into a table and send it to me. Hi Yahboom, help me organize the fields on my desktop.
Now, the desktop is much tidier. All files are categorized by type.
Please help me with the time task and remind me in 3 minutes.
3 minutes scheduled task timeout.
Write a piece of Python code. Serve one route rapidly, serve two routes slowly, and turn on the RGB rainbow light. Take a photo, organize the location coordinates of the red apple in the photo, and send them to me, and display them on the OLED screen. Hi Yahboom, dance for me. Hi Yahboom, describe the signs you see.
This is a toy scene. There is an airplane model on the left. In the middle is a transparent shelf and colorful building blocks. There is a green tree and a yellow excavator model on the right.
Hi Yahboom, what is the indoor temperature?
The indoor temperature is 27.5 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 49%. Execute high temperature reminder.
Detecting the correct growth status of the plant and providing care suggestions based on the surrounding temperature and humidity.
Temperature 28.5 degrees Celsius. Humidity 50%. Leaves are yellowish green.
Hi Yahboom, tell me a fairy tale story.
Once upon a time in a lush forest, there lived a clever fox named Finn. One day while exploring, he stumbled upon a sparkling river that led to a hidden waterfall.
Hi Yahboom, observe the sense before you then record the information in the sense.